Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you fix which app not working on your settings. So all you have to do to fix this problem, so just click here on settings here, and it's going to take us here in this list. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here, then you click here on apps, then it's going to take you to take us here in this list. Then all you have to do now, so you just go down here and you search for which app. So you just go down here to looking for which app. So then here in the so you can you search for it here in app. So just click here and it's you click you add here wish, then you click on wish app here, then it's going to take us here in this list. Then you just click here on full stop and you click here on OK. Then you go down here, you click here on storage and you come to storage window. So just click here on clear cache, and all you have to do now, so just restart your phone and it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.